Sveiki and welcome back to your Irregular Latvian lesson. Most people learn languages to speak more, but Latvians prefer to speak less. That's why we have elaborated a selection of izsaugsmes vārdi, short exclamation words that can replace whole sentences. In this video, you too will discover the secrets of how Latvians say more with less. Let's go! Up first, ak, the Latvian equivalent of the English o. Ak can express joy, like if you receive flowers, you can say ak, cik skaisti, oh, how beautiful. Or it can express sadness with ak vai, oh no, or uh-oh. But with tā, so, ak tā means oh yeah, that's how you want to play it. Okay. And then ak can be added in front of insults. Ak tu nešķīsteni, oh you impure one. Ak adding here a delicate layer of why are you so unfair and why have the gods cursed me with love for you. But ak jel means oh wow, either in the sense I can't believe it, like ak jel, is he eating potatoes without dill? Or wow, how annoying, ak jel, the dog has pooped in the bed again. And of course, ak dios, oh god, ak kungs, oh lord, ak tu tētīt, oh you daddy, are probably the most popular ways Latvians express both good and bad surprise. But if you're texting, use akd, OMG. So let's leave ak for now, but if you want to know the full potential of it, head over to the Patreon page for the extra lesson to go with this video. Moving on to disappointment. When Latvians fail at something, they say bāc, which means damn or how disappointing. Bāc. But if a Latvian fails at something they haven't even started yet, they'd use ek, which means it's not worth it, I'm not gonna make it. Ek nav ko, not even worth trying. And that is why half of Latvia doesn't vote in our elections. But not this year, Latvians, right? I will see you at the voting booth in October. A Latvian that has understood something will say aha, which means either I caught you or aha, tad redz, kas tev aiz ādas. I see those bad intentions. You hide behind your skin. And then a Latvian impressed at such perceptiveness will say oho, which is how we say wow. Wow. But for really impressive things, make it even shorter. Oh, now that is impressive. But if a Latvian says uja, it means enough. Not that impressive after all, or don't exaggerate, nobody believes you anyway. Next, Latvians will say ui, uh-oh, for small accidents that we have caused, like ui, piedodiet, es uzkāpu jums uz kājas. Ui, sorry, I stepped on your foot. But for bigger ones, ui means, man, that's serious. Whew, I'm glad I had nothing to do with that. Also, in relation to accidents, you might hear the occasional oi, which is the more Russian-sounding brother of ui and oops. But if you hear ow, it means that somebody is in pain, because ow means ouch, that hurts. And ow, ow, ow means stop doing that, that really hurts. But if it hurts just a little bit, like if a cute doctor is giving you a COVID shot, you can say, "Ay, that really hurts. Can I have a kiss to make it better?" Ai is also a prime tool for Latvian who careness. When used like this, ai, which means don't bother, it's not important. Ai, he's not worth it, he only reads like one book a year. Ai, forget. Or I can be used to threaten people, like ai, kā tu man tūlīt dabūsi? Oh, how you're gonna get it from me now. If au means pain, eu means there's about to be pain. Used to attract someone's attention, ew is like an angry hey, like ew, panas šurp, hey you, get over here. Or ew, ko tu tur slapsties? Hey, why are you sneaking around over there? Ew means you might be in trouble. But ew means, hey, that's not nice what you did. Or if you're playing a board game, ew means, hey, I saw that, you're cheating, stop it. But if you're trying to get the attention of someone you do not wish to hurt, you can say, hey! Or if they're really far away, ooh! A calling sound perfectly designed to be carried over the 1 meter high hills of Latvia. If you want them to listen, say klau, which means, hey, listen. But if a Latvian says nu paklau, they're about to tell you that something in the way you're behaving is unacceptable. Now, if you have successfully escaped a Latvian punishment, you can atviegloti uzelpot, breathe a sigh of relief, which sounds like this. Oof, our version of phew. And then, in some ways, Latvians are like everybody else. When we think, we say, When our sports team wins, we say, ura! And at the opera, we say, bravo, bravo! But at the end of music concerts, you'll hear us scream, atkārtot, atkārtot, repeat! When Latvians are cold, we say, brrrr. When Latvians are disgusted, they say fui or fui ew. And we love to especially say that about someone's bad behavior. Nu kas tā uzvedās? Fui ew. What kind of person behaves like this? And if, like a Latvian, you like to judge other people on their behavior, you'll also enjoy vai. Vai doubles as a conjunction, which means if or do you. So expressions with vai have a questioning tone. Vai akls? Are you blind? Vai dūls? What are you, confused? Or the most popular, nu kas tu traks, vai? What are you, crazy? But the true purpose of vai is that it is the building block of Latvian vaimanāšana, excessive complaining or crying using the expression vai man dieniņ, which means oh my tiny little day, or simply vai, oh. And that is how we express misfortune, why is the world against me? Latvians excel at vaimanāšana. Bug! You know it, means hold on a second, but kush is how we say shh, and kushnu means ew, I already told you, be quiet. Or, if you're living in a Latvian novel, you can also say tss. If we say skat, it means look at that valley, isn't it beautiful? But re means look, it's a lizard and it's running away. But if we say nure, it means I was right, wasn't I? Or nure, it wasn't so hard, was it? Or nure, and it's done. Un nu viss. Thank you for watching your irregular Latvian lesson on izsauksmes vārdi. If you were hearing these floating around and wondering what they mean, now you know that if your grandmother-in-law says ooya, it means that she's not completely buying your story about saving her granddaughter from a shark. Sorry. Patreons, I feel like you want more. So if you're interested in learning some more ways ak and vai can be used as izsauksmes vārdi, head over to the Patreon for your extra lesson, and thank you for the support. Everyone, do your Latvians use izsauksmes vārdi? Are there any that I have missed? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you soon, maybe. Bye!